Nailed it.
Hey babes, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an at-home kind of like booty slash full body workout. It's not really full body, but it'll get your heart pumping just a bit. You don't need any equipment, just a yoga mat and yourself. I don't know if you guys remember, a while ago I was calling you guys the Justice League, which I'm not allowed to use anymore. So I've been kind of like brainstorming different things to call you guys, and I thought of maybe Justice Queens or Justice Babes, because I always call you guys babes. I'm like, hey babes, blah, blah, blah. And then queens, because you're all like my queens, really. I think every woman is a queen. So yeah, I want to know what you guys think of those two. Which would you prefer? Or if you have any other ideas, it can't be Justice League. Brainstorm it up, put those ideas down in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn those post notifications on to be part of my notifications. What? I want to be doing a giveaway really soon here on YouTube actually, and one of the rules will be that you have to like comment or like my video within like a certain amount of me doing it. So you have to turn those post notifications on so you can get notified when I make a post and you can enter my giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram. Once I reach 100K, I'll be giving away my workout program. Yeah, girl, go ahead and give it a follow. A lot of you have been asking me to do a giveaway with the workout program, so here it is. Before we go into the workout, I want to let you guys know that this video is brought to you by Audible. If you haven't heard of Audible, girl, it's amazing. Audible basically gives you the opportunity to listen to audiobooks and other kind of audio entertainment from wherever on their free app, in the car, at the gym, at home, while you're taking a walk. It's amazing. They gave me a special offer just for you guys. So if you are an Amazon Prime member, you can get Audible for just $4.95 for the first 3 months. So Audible is usually I think $14.95 per month. So this is basically you getting 3 months for the price of one. This offer does end July 31st, so make sure you take advantage of it fairly quickly. You can go to audible.com/Vicky Justiz or text Vicky Justiz to 500 in order to take advantage of the offer. So I actually bought the book Crush It by Gary Vee a few months ago, which is an amazing book, by the way. And if you don't know who Gary Vee is, girl, yeah, the book is amazing, and I started reading it and I have not had any time to finish it because I got so busy. So I downloaded Audible, and check out how cool this is. It's actually Gary Vee narrating his own book. So I feel like I'm listening to him, like he's talking to me. Not every single book is like this. I think different books have different narrators, but Crush It is narrated by him, which I just thought was so freaking awesome. And since so many of you have been asking me about like how to get started on YouTube and Instagram or blogging, because a lot of you I know want to do that, this book is an amazing insight into like the whole industry of being an influencer. He gives awesome tips. So I definitely am recommending this book, and on Audible it's like the best. You can literally listen to it while you're on the way to work, especially for the summer. Like if you're standing outside by the pool or the beach, honestly for me sometimes it's uncomfortable to be like reading a book because I'm like, like trying to, because I have like the book up here, it's blocking the sun. If I flip over, it's uncomfortable. So you can just pop those headphones in and listen to whatever book you want. And they've also got tons of cheesy romance novels to keep you entertained during your workouts. So that will make your workouts a lot more interesting and fun, I would say. They have like the largest selection of audiobooks on the planet. So no matter what you're into, you will find something for you, believe me. So really, it is such an amazing service that allows you to fill up your otherwise empty hours with something that, you know, could either entertain you or it could grow and develop you as a person. Like if you're into business and personal development, it's so amazing. So make sure you go to audible.com/Vicky Justiz or text Vicky Justiz to 500 to take advantage of this offer. It ends July 31st, so please take advantage of it because it's amazing. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the workout. So it's gonna be a fun little workout. We're gonna be doing a bunch of kind of like new-ish exercises that we haven't really done before. So yeah, get ready, just try to follow on with me as best as you can. It's nice, short, quick. It's not easy, but it's short and quick. All right, let's do it. So we're gonna start off with some half burpees. So you're gonna go ahead and get into plank position. And instead of coming up all the way to a burpee, you're gonna jump here and come back. So we're doing 20 of these. Keep your core tight. When you jump up, make sure you bring your legs towards your hands. I mean, your feet should be placed right next to your hands. 10 more. few more, almost there. One more. And back. Oh, that was an arm workout. This thing kept sliding all over the place. All right, now we're gonna do some 20 donkey kicks with a pulse. So catch your breath if you need it. Get a sip of water. All right, so for the donkey kicks, you're gonna be here on your elbows because I just think that gives you a better range of motion. You're gonna put your foot up like this. Make sure your foot is flexed and pushing up through your heel. You're gonna kick up, pulse, come down. Up, pulse, come down. 20 on each side. Make sure you keep your core tight and really focus on using your butt for these exercises. Stay flexed. This is 7. Keep going. 10 more. 5 more. And 20. So now let's go ahead and switch on over to the other side. So remember, flex your foot, bend at the knee, straight up, pulse, back down. Make sure you're really focused on using your butt. This is 10 more. And if you really want to make this a killer run, you can add weight to next time. Ankle weights. Few more, you're almost there. And 20. Oh my god, I felt the burn without any weight or anything. It's crazy. So now we're gonna go ahead and flip on over. We're gonna do some glute bridges. Okay. Good here. So make sure, get in a comfortable position with your feet. So don't be too far, don't be too close. Be like, somewhere in the middle. So keeping your hands on your sides, you're gonna press up through your heel to come up, squeeze at the top, come down. We're doing 20 in total. Up and down. So it's really important to squeeze at the top. That's what's gonna really make it burn. Squeeze and back down. Really squeeze as hard as you can. Keep your abs tight. We're at 10. We've got 10 more. Almost there. 3 more. And 20. Great job. We've got just 2 more exercises to go. Catch your breath, get a sip of water, do what you gotta do, and let's keep going. So now we're gonna go ahead and get on up for the next 2 exercises. So now we're gonna be doing forward to back lunges, right? So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna stand in the middle, you're gonna lunge forward like this, keeping your weight on your heel, come back up and lunge back. So that counts as 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing 20 on each side. Keep your core tight to really keep your balance. Or if you need to, you can hold on to something lightly. I lost count, oh my gosh. Let's say 8, 9. Keep going. Whew. Almost there. 19, 20. Oh. All right, switch sides. Let me fix this. Switch sides and go forward and back. So try to keep it at a right angle. The forward and the back leg. 5. We're at 10. Oh my god, this guy's on fire. I don't know why. So obviously my weaker leg. A few more, almost there. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, catch your breath because I need to catch my breath. Wow, I'm so out of shape. It's been a minute since I worked out, so bear with me. All right, now we're gonna finish up with 40 calf raises, one of my favorite exercises ever. So let's do it. Come up, back down. Keep going. 20 more. Ten more. You can do this. We're gonna hold at the top in the last one. Ready? 38, 39, 40, and hold. Don't come down. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Keep holding. Squeeze your abs, squeeze your butt, squeeze everything. And come down. Whew. All right. Wow. My booty's on fire, and so are the rest of my legs. So I hope you enjoyed this little workout. I definitely had fun with it. We did a few different kind of exercises. Don't forget to take advantage of the Audible discount that they're offering for you guys. The link is in my description, and I'll put the offer up on screen so you don't forget like what number to text, what URL to go to, whatever. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for the next video.